So I thought I'd show you what I eat in a day, focusing on eating for nourishment and not for punishment, which is what I do every single day and what I help teach my clients to do. So just like an average day of eating. Now, this is not to say that you should eat like I eat. You probably have different preferences, different tastes, maybe different appetite. Like this isn't so to say that like I've got the perfect blueprint and you should follow me. It's just to show you, like, if you're interested. I'm like nosy like that. I love to know what people are eating. So I'm just sharing like literally what I'm eating today. So it is 10:15. So it's kind of like brunch almost. I've so far had a cup of coffee and lots of water. And now I feel like my appetite is kicking in and I would like to break my fast. So I feel like I pretty much every like day for brunch, lunch, or breakfast, I have something savoury. I don't tend to eat sweet things. I eat sweet things normally as a pudding or like as a dessert. So I am breaking my fast with a salad, which is typically what I do. So I'm going to use some watercress as my base. You could use like any greens that you like, but I'm going to use a nice big handful of watercress as my base. Then I'm going to make some lentils. So I'm just going to warm up some lentils, some tinned lentils with some tomatoes. So I'm just cooking some tomatoes in some olive oil. I've just added in the lentils and I'm just going to let it warm up a little bit because it's a cold day and I don't want to just eat raw food. I'm just going to add a little bit of something raw for a bit of crunch. So I'm just going to, I love a mandolin. I'm just going to slice some carrots. I have to watch my fingers. I'm going to slice some carrot into my salad. And then I love kimchi and sauerkraut and things like that, so fermented foods. I'm going to add a little bit of kimchi just for that sort of, that taste of something, you know, it's kind of sour. Yeah, I really like it. And I'm going to dress the salad with a bit of tahini. I love tahini. Add some like creaminess. I particularly love this brand of tahini. Yeah, it's from sesame seeds, so add some protein, some calcium, but mainly just because I love the taste. So tahini and then a little bit of olive oil on the watercress and some salt. So there we go, that's my lunch ready in about 5 minutes. Got protein, got lots of veggies, got some nice fats, and it's going to be delicious. Now for pudding, I'm having a strawberry chia pudding that I actually made my daughter for breakfast, but she didn't want it this morning. So I have this already made in the fridge. It's so simple, so easy to make. I make it with fresh cashew nut milk. You literally just blend the cashews with water, add the chia seeds, put it in the fridge overnight, and then we just add some frozen strawberries in the morning and a little bit of syrup for sweetness and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it's so good. So I'm going to enjoy this for my pudding. Oh, and the recipe for it is on my blog, so I will link it in the comments or just message me Chaya and I will send you the recipe. So it's 3 o'clock now. It's been like 4 hours since I finished my brunch and I'm feeling a little bit peckish. I made myself a chocolate protein smoothie. I used my favorite Wild Nutrition protein powder. I added cacao powder, banana, Plenish cashew nut milk, and that's about it. Keep it simple, blend it up. And now I've got a yummy chocolatey, protein-rich smoothie to get me through the rest of the afternoon. So now it's 6 o'clock and I've picked up the girls from school and I'm just cooking supper. So this is tofu with lemon and tamari, just in some coconut oil that I'm lightly frying. And then I'm also going to do the girls tomato soup. I just munched on 3 of these, which I have to say are my favourite kind of snack because I love the flavour of salt and vinegar. So yeah, just have 3 lentil and pea salt and vinegar veggie cakes. Definitely recommend them. So we're having a couple of salads. This is a cucumber salad with a French vinaigrette, lettuce with my vinaigrette, which is available in the 3-day meal plan that I'll link below. And this is just a kale salad. I had some leftover kale and I make the dressing with nutritional yeast, apple cider vinegar and olive oil, and just sort of rub it all together, massage it, and then yeah, it doesn't look very appetizing, but it is yummy. So this is what my supper tonight looks like. Some kale, some salad sprouts, some tofu, some avocado. I'm not massively hungry since I had the protein smoothie and the salt and vinegar lentil cakes, but yeah, this looks not as appetizing as it tastes. It tastes really yummy, and it's going to be a yummy supper. And one of my favourite chocolate bars, the Divine 85% chocolate, couple of squares of this with some detox tea is my pudding. And that's it for the day. I hope this was informative, interesting, showing you like what it looks like to eat just totally instinctively. Also, yeah, feeling into my hunger, responding to my cravings, listening to my body, eating for nourishment. Yeah, let me know if you found this interesting and I can always make more of them.